Welcome to my channel. The kitchen has changed. It's no longer just the place where meals are made. In 2026, the kitchen has become the center of modern living, a space where style, comfort, and functionality all meet in one beautifully designed environment. It's where mornings begin, where families gather, where conversations happen, and where the overall personality of a home is often defined. And here's what's fascinating. The most luxurious kitchens of 2026 are not always the biggest. They're not always filled with the most expensive materials either. Instead, they are carefully designed with intention. Because today, luxury is less about money and more about smart decisions. Designers around the world are shifting away from flashy excess and moving toward thoughtful elegance, clean lines, rich textures, hidden functionality, warm lighting, natural materials, and together these elements create kitchens that feel expensive, timeless, and incredibly inviting. So whether you're planning a complete renovation, updating a small apartment kitchen, or simply collecting inspiration for your future dream home, this video will show you the top kitchen design trends that are shaping 2026. And trust me, some of these ideas are simpler than you think. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Perfect Home Decor for more interior inspiration, renovation ideas, and the latest design trends. Now, let's explore the kitchen trends that are changing everything. Open shelving with intention. For years, homeowners wanted everything hidden behind cabinets, but in 2026, open shelving is making a powerful return. The difference now is balance. Instead of overcrowding shelves with random items, designers are using them with purpose. A few handmade ceramic bowls, elegant glass jars, natural wood cutting boards, soft greenery, that's enough. Open shelving adds personality and warmth. It allows you to display the pieces you love while creating a space that feels curated rather than cluttered. When styled properly, it can make even a small kitchen feel high-end and welcoming. Two-tone cabinetry. Matching cabinets from top to bottom are becoming less common. In 2026, contrast is everything. Designers are pairing different tones to create depth and visual interest. Lighter shades on top, darker shades below, warm oak paired with matte black, cream with olive green, soft beige with dark walnut. This layered approach creates movement in the space. It breaks monotony and makes the kitchen feel more custom built. It's one of the easiest ways to add character without making the design feel overwhelming. Oversized statement lighting. Lighting has become one of the most important parts of kitchen design. And in 2026, bigger is definitely better. Large pendant lights above islands are dominating modern kitchens, but these aren't just lights. They're sculptural pieces. Pieces that act like jewelry for the room, glass globes, brushed brass fixtures, minimal black frames, organic hand-woven designs. The right lighting can completely transform how a kitchen feels. It adds drama, warmth, depth, and it instantly elevates the entire space. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry. One of the clearest signs of outdated kitchen design is that awkward empty gap above the cabinets. In 2026, designers are maximizing every inch. Cabinetry now stretches all the way to the ceiling, and the result is stunning. It creates clean vertical lines that make the room feel taller and more polished. It also adds valuable storage, especially for items you don't use every day. Visually, it gives the kitchen that seamless, custom-built luxury look. Organic textures. Modern kitchens are becoming softer, less cold, less sterile, and much more connected to nature. Organic textures are one of the strongest trends this year. Natural wood grains, textured stone, clay finishes, handmade tiles, linen accents. These materials add soul to the space. They create warmth and authenticity. And because no natural texture is exactly the same, every kitchen feels unique. That uniqueness is what makes luxury feel real. Concealed lighting. Some of the most beautiful lighting in a kitchen is the kind you barely notice. Hidden LED strips are becoming essential in 2026 under cabinets, inside display shelves, beneath islands, along toe kicks. This subtle lighting creates layers, and layered lighting always feels more luxurious. At night, it gives the kitchen a soft, ambient glow that feels calm, elegant, and incredibly modern. Curved edges. For years, kitchens were dominated by straight lines and hard corners, but now, softer forms are taking over. Curved islands, rounded countertops, arched pantry doorways. These shapes make kitchens feel smoother and more inviting. They create flow and visual softness, and psychologically, curves feel safer and more comfortable. It's a subtle trend, but one that makes a huge difference in how a kitchen feels. Minimal countertop styling. Luxury kitchens are no longer overcrowded. In 2026, less is more. Countertops are being kept cleaner than ever. Only the essentials remain. A sculptural vase, a wooden tray, a bowl of fresh fruit, a simple candle. That's it. Too many visible appliances and accessories create visual noise. And visual noise makes a kitchen feel smaller and cheaper. Clean surfaces create calm, and calm feels expensive. Bold stone islands. Kitchen islands are becoming the centerpiece of the entire room, and designers are making them impossible to ignore. Large waterfall islands with dramatic veining are one of the strongest luxury statements in 2026. Quartzite, marble, soapstone, travertine. These materials are being used not just on top, but across the sides as well. The island becomes both practical and artistic. It's where cooking happens, but it's also where the room makes its first impression. Hidden breakfast stations. One of the smartest design trends this year is appliance concealment. Dedicated breakfast stations hidden behind cabinet doors are becoming incredibly popular. Coffee machines, toasters, blenders, tea supplies, everything organized in one hidden zone. This keeps the kitchen looking clean while making morning routines easier. It's smart design that combines convenience with beauty. Warm metallic accents. Cold chrome is slowly fading. In 2026, warmer metals are taking over. Brushed brass, aged bronze, champagne gold, soft copper. These finishes add richness and depth, especially when paired with darker cabinets or natural stone. A brass faucet or bronze cabinet detail can instantly make a kitchen feel more sophisticated. It's a small touch, but it changes the entire atmosphere. Integrated appliances. Nothing says luxury quite like visual continuity. Integrated refrigerators, dishwashers, and hidden range hoods are now one of the biggest trends in premium kitchen design. When appliances blend into cabinetry, the kitchen feels seamless, cleaner, calmer, more intentional. Without visual interruptions, the design feels stronger, and stronger design always feels more expensive. Natural color palettes. While bold kitchens are still trending, the strongest long-term movement in 2026 is towards softer, earthy palettes. Warm whites, sand tones, olive greens, muted browns, clay shades. These colors create a sense of peace. They feel timeless and grounded, and they pair beautifully with natural materials. Unlike trendy, bright colors, these tones age gracefully, and that makes them a smarter design choice. At the end of the day, the most beautiful kitchens of 2026 all have one thing in common. They are intentional. Nothing feels random. Every material, every light, every color, every detail, it all works together. That's the real secret behind expensive-looking kitchens. Not spending more, but designing smarter. Maybe it's a better lighting choice. Maybe it's cleaner countertops. Maybe it's adding warmer textures or changing your cabinet colors. Sometimes, one simple change is enough to completely transform the way your kitchen feels. And that's the beauty of modern design. It gives you the power to create luxury in your own way. So tell us, which of these kitchen trends would you love to add to your home? Leave your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Perfect Home Decor for more design inspiration, smart styling ideas, and the latest home trends. Because great design doesn't just change your home, it changes how you live inside it.